Hey guys, welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to make a target. You guys have seen me working with this target at the range, and it's made out of just an Amazon box, and then I use 4x6 printer stickers, printer labels, which are just white thermal stickers, and I stick them on to resurface the target. And you can see I've got a lot of rounds on this one. They are at a certain level bordering on a free target. And it's something that you can use at a range, indoor range, whatever, outdoor range. The things that, well, it's not really free. The things that you do have to invest in initially are going to be a stencil. I got this from Challenge Targets. And then I've got a steel target that I use as the template. This is one of my 3/8 rifle targets. And what I do is I take an Amazon box and I open up one end of it. Alright, boom, 2 targets. You really want to make sure that you preserve the ears, because as you can see here, those ears are what make the face. Without the ears, it's basically an Android target. I tried this originally with scissors and that was a no-go. The cardboard was way too thick to get the angles. I cannot stress this enough. Make sure your fingers are accounted for before you start dragging that blade. Alright, cool. Boom. Alright, now what we do is we take a stencil. The alignment of the ears is the most crucial part of this. The easy way to do this is you look for the blue line at the top, you drag it back just a little bit, you lift the stencil, and you verify the edges of the earlobes are there, and then you center it like this with your index fingers. And you're done. And what you get is a target that's ready for the range, and that will give you a lot of life with these 4x6 stickers. These are just cheap thermal labels for thermal printers. You can get a case of these things for almost nothing online, and it is a fast way to resurface your target over and over and over and over again and just work through drills really fast. So there you go, guys. A very simple target that can be done with, obviously you'd have to spend money on a stencil if you don't have a stencil. If you want a really good stencil, the ones from Challenge Targets are very detailed. When you go to the range, this target gives you a realistic image. One thing that people don't readily understand is when you point a firearm, you have to get visual markers of where the face is. And you'll notice I'm not face shooting this thing because the clip is up here and I don't want to accidentally clip the target stand at the range. So I'm respectful of them. This gives you the visual markers of where face and neck and chest are. And that's what this target is about. It is a fast and accurate way to get visual markers and have a target that is easily resurfaced with stickers. So you get like 5 or 6 rounds into it, slap another sticker on it. Not to mention 5 or 6 rounds, that's an entire gunfight right there. So take a break. Put your weapon down, let it cool down. And by the way, 5 or 6 rounds into a handgun, it's starting to get a little warm. So take a break. Take a breather, stretch out a little bit. Do the tensing technique where you take all the muscles in your body and you tense, and then you relax, and then you do the drill again. So, something to consider. As always, I thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one.